Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? I hope that you all were fine in this epidemic of COVID-19. The school management decided to take virtual classes for the students. Today we are going to start with the same topic, but second part of that topic, question tag. Last session we have seen different rules, different general rules regarding the subject and object and all this thing. But today I want to teach you something new, something extraordinary, which you didn't learn in your past standards. With new energy and with new enthusiasm and with new hopes and aspirations, with the blessings of God, let us start the second section of our topic, and that is question tag. Here we are writing the exceptional subject, exceptional subjects, and into it I will say indication, demonstration, indication. We are calling people by these, that, indicating the things like this is a book, that is a book, these are books, those are books. Such kind of sentences are given. At that time what you will do? See here. There remains as it is there. This and that turns into it. These turns into they because it is plural. Those also plural. That's why we'll put they. And one remain as it is one. So once again, let us see. There remains as it is there. This turns into it, that into it, these into they, those into they, because these two were plural, so it turns into they. And I write only these small letters, because yesterday I told you in small letters you have to write this answer. One remain as it is one. Let us clarify with the example. See the example. There appears no relief. Okay, my dear students, here the word is there appears no relief. Which is the subject? There is the subject. Which is the verb? Appears is the verb. And yesterday I told you that when after the verb form S or ES is there, S or ES is given, so what we write? First we write the does. Nice. Now, after that you have to check, a subject is there. So see here, there remains as it is there. So we write over here, there. Then after you have to check whether the sentence is positive or negative, affirmative or negative. So here the word no is given. So when no, not, never, etc. are given, so we put them, we make this sentence answer affirmative. If no is not there, then you will write doesn't. But here no is given, that's why we write only does. And our subject, there we put as it is. Okay. After that, the next example, one should perform the duty. One should perform the duty. See this subject, one remains as it is one. So for subject we will write one as it is. Then after, should is our helping verb, that should remains as it is, but sentence affirmative to answer negative. So here we will write shouldn't. What we should write? Shouldn't. And our subject is one and put question mark at the end of the answer. So shouldn't one is our answer. Then next point is there, next example is there. This is not your bag. Okay, this is not your bag. I told you, okay, this turns into it. And sometimes this is used and indicate to which thing? So this indicating the bag. And bag itself a non-living thing. Bag itself a non-living thing. And that is why we put the subject it. Now to be form, which is the to be form? Is the to be form. Put is. Check the sentence, positive or negative. So it is negative. The answer is positive. So is it our answer. So I hope that you all understood this. Next portion, regarding the subject. Now here the student feel too much difficult. Here it is sometime in the examination such kind of subjects are given, so you all the people are feeling difficult because he, she, it, that all things you are doing easily, but such kind of subjects you are not doing easily, and we can say them as subject with distributive nature. Distributive. In distributive nature, we have so many subjects like someone, somebody, everybody, everyone, no one, nothing, anything, everything. These all are the subjects with distributive nature. So let us see over here. When someone, somebody, no one, nobody, etc. is given, so here we'll put them as a plural. In सभी जगह इनकी जगह पे you have to put they. Means remember what you will remember कि one and buddy is used for living things. One and buddy is used for living thing, and this thing, even though they are in distributive nature, but you will find as a whole nature, collective. In question 10 we are giving the answer in collective nature. So one and buddy means for human or for living, and suffix thing, thing, thing is used for non-living. So here someone, somebody means after that buddy or one is the suffix given, so we will write the subject they in question take answer. But thing you can find is something, nothing, anything, everything, etc. So you will write the subject it as a answer. So if one or buddy is there, so you will write they, and thing is there, so you will write it as the answer. Okay. Let us see the examples. Everyone has arrived. Okay. First you should clarify the helping verb. Has arrived, beta. Which tense? Has arrived means present perfect tense. Has arrived means present perfect tense. Has plus third form means present perfect tense. Sentence affirmative ke negative, तो sentence affirmative, तो answer negative. तो but before we write the has, let me clarify the subject everyone. Now you the children are thinking कि when subject is everyone और सर आपने यहाँ पे लिखवाया हमको they, तो everyone और they, तो everyone के साथ सर has how can you put? So it is the rule कि in distributive nature whether they are using as a plural, but the helping verb always comes in singular. But when we turn it into question tag, at that time helping verb turns into plural, means in place of everyone here we write the subject they. What we write? They, because everyone, तो everyone के लिए subject they. अब they इधर रखा मैंने, तो has आएगा कि have, तो इधर आएगा have. Now check here कि भाई sentence negative के affirmative, तो sentence affirmative, तो its answer is negative, तो haven't they. तो बच्चे क्या कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं एग्जाम में कि सर हैज दिया है तो हम लोग आंसर लिख देंगे हैजंट, लेकिन हैजंट लिखना मना है. हियर वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग इट इनटू कलेक्टिव मैनर, मींस एवरीवन कंसीडर एज अ प्लूरल, मींस दे, और दे के साथ वी ऑलवेज पुट हैव. ओके. आफ्टर दैट समथिंग is missing today. Something is missing today. Now I give you the example over here कि भाई thing हम रखेंगे, तो thing we are using for non-living. Thing means itself non-living, so we put the subject it over here. So something, nothing, anything, we are applying it. Now so for something we are putting here it, and check if something is missing. Sentence positive, answer negative. So is turns into isn't, and the answer is isn't it. For example, here everything is missing, even though the answer is isn't it. Nothing is missing, तो answer is it, because nothing negative है. चलो ये हो गया आपका. अब next point is there. Some negative words are there, but these words looks like affirmative. Word दिखेगा affirmative, लेकिन होगा negative. तो ये word क्या है? छुपा रुस्तम है. ये छुपे रुस्तम है. वैसे छुपे रुस्तम के भी रूल्स आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं कि भाई नेगेटिव वर्ड लुक्स लाइक एफर्मेटिव. कैसे कैसे? विच काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिव वर्ड्स आर देयर? सेल्डम, फ्यू, लिटल एटसेट्रा. इफ आई राइट फ्यू तो फ्यू मतलब कुछ नहीं, लेकिन इफ आई राइट अ फ्यू तो अ फ्यू मतलब थोड़ा. एंड फ्यू वी आर यूजिंग फॉर काउंटेबल थिंग्स which we can count, chalk, duster, chair, etc. And little, तो little is used for liquid things, बराबर? Liquid things, तो उसके लिए little. But if I little means nothing, but if I write a little, तो कुछ है. So it means that these words all are negative. They are using in negative terms. Means seldom, few, little, hardly, barely, scarcely, etc. These words are using as a negative word. And when it is given in the example, what the students are feeling कि सर ये तो affirmative था ना, तो हमने उसको negative का आंसर लिख दिया. लेकिन no, not like that. See here, few people trusted him. Few people trusted him. Okay. Now, अब आप तो क्या सोचोगे सर? तो people है, तो people के लिए हम they लिख देते हैं. We are writing they. चलो they लिख देते हैं. Let us write they. No problem. That is okay. But what about the subject and verb? Subject is over, but what about the verb? So here trusted. Trusted means second form of the verb. And what the students are doing? Yes sir, second form of verb means and sentence affirmative. So you will write negative. So what you will write here? Didn't they? But no, my dear student, not didn't they is the answer, because few itself represent negative. And when negative words are there, it means we'll write it answer in affirmative. It means we write did over here, and the answer will become did they is our answer. Okay. Then next example, let us see. Next example, they seldom put off their program. They seldom put off. Which word is given here? Seldom is there. Seldom itself shows negative sentence and negative meaning. Now which is the subject? They is our subject, so we'll write they over here, and the verb is put off. अब इधर ध्यान दो, put के तीनों form, put, all the three forms are equal. तो कैसे बनाएंगे हम इसको? How can we make it? तो सर put तो present में भी यूज होगा, और put past में भी यूज होगा, और put past third form में भी यूज होगा. तो here two possibilities are there. One answer is did they, and second answer is do they. Why? Two answers here you can make, because put is first form, and as per the first form they के साथ हम do, and here second form तो will apply did. So in short, you should remember कि such kind of negative words, but they are looking like affirmative. तो इन words को भी आपको याद रखना. So what we study in this session, let us revise for a few minutes. Let us see the second part of our question tag. Exceptional subjects are given here. Okay, there turns into there, this and that turns into it, these into they, those into they. One remains as it is one, and here are its example. Because these are the things which indicate something, which mention something. After that, the next portion is their distributive nature. In distributive nature, the word with one or body means they are using for human being, and we refer them as plural, and that's why we put they as a subject. Then thing itself represent non-living, and whenever something, nothing, or the word which has suffix thing is given, we will write it, and here are his example. Then chupa rustam, negative word look like affirmative, and it will seldom, few, little, hardly, barely, scarcely, etc. words are there, and these words are using as a negative, so its answer are always affirmative. So that's all for today, my dear students. Watch this video, share this video, and do the homework. Take the screenshot, write it into your notebooks, and be prepared with your homework. Thank you very much. Okay, students, one more thing is there I want to tell you, and that is very much important, and that is regarding your homework. Whatever homework we have given to you on each and every day after the lecture, you have to send that homework on the given number. Thank you.